Okay, we're given an example of fitting an aftermarket part. This is our C2 white quarter panel, and as it comes out of the mold, we trim it to fit the mold. And we fit it on the car right now, started our fitting process, and we taped it off to give you an example of sometimes a little excess glass that's left in a part. It's just part of the process of building it. So we've marked it, we're going to do a trim, and once we fit these quarters, we're going to go back and scribe our mold. So the folks that buy our quarters will see a scribe in there, and that kind of gives you an idea. When you see a scribe line in a part, at least from us, that's where you want to grind back to. So we're going to do some grinding, and then we're going to come back and show you how it fits. Right now we're doing our final fit. We've decided we need to take about a little 1/4 inch off of the top of the seam and where it rolls down the tail light panel to get our fit in there. And like I said, we're going to scribe our mold to make the process a little quicker on everybody's behalf. Another place you got to keep in mind when you're fitting a part is the inside radiuses. Sometimes they get to be a little fat when we're making the part, and so you got to keep in mind that a press molded part's what originally comes on this car, is built with a matched mold, and I don't know, 50,000 ton press or something presses this stuff out and makes it very uniform. We're humans, we have a little air. We do everything hand laid, no chopper gun. But little spots like this might get a little fat, so you gotta get on the back side. That's another part of fitting, is the back side of that part, and grind it down, not too much to go through, but to get it to fit. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 radiuses all coming together here, and you gotta make this a marriage that works. Clamp it in. Okay, we're coming to the conclusion here of what we've done. We fit our quarter panel, our 1.5 wide panels that we were using on the Restomods, and we've done some grinding here to get it to fit perfect. Always fit your other adjacent parts to it. So we have our bumper fitted, we had our valance fitted, so we're going to put our part back in our mold. We'll scribe our mold. You'll see a little scribe mark in our mold to know where to grind. That should in all actuality cut at least 20 minutes of your fitting time off of this. So we have our fit, and when we go to glue this on, we're going to do a little alteration to the front and put a ZR1 duck in the dog leg of this quarter panel. So it'll be a while before we bring it back and show you that. But when we go to glue it on, we're going to use clamps. We're going to use this bumper to help hold it and get everything in line. And with our slow epoxy, we know we'll have enough time to put it together, let it kick off, and we always come back the next day to do any more work. So that's your basics of fitting. Our parts are like a lot of people's parts. We make them a little on the large side, so you have to spend some time fitting them. It's easier to take off than it is to add. Good luck.